Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to be explaining AT&T Turbo, how it can boost your mobile data speed with just one tap in 2026. Now, AT&T Turbo is a network performance feature that allows you to temporarily boost your mobile data priority. When you activate Turbo, your device receives higher priority on the AT&T network, which can improve the speeds during the times when the network is crowded. This can help with the activities like streaming videos, downloading the files, and loading websites fast. Normally, mobile networks manage thousands of devices at the same time. During busy hours, speeds can slow down because many users are connected to the same tower. When AT&T Turbo is turned on, your device gets temporarily priority access to the network resources, which can reduce the slowdowns caused by the congestion. So using the AT&T Turbo is designed to be very simple. In most of the cases, you can activate it through the AT&T account or mobile app in a single tap. Once it is activated, the speed boost applies to your device for a limited period of time. So the question here is, should you actually use it or is it worth using in 2026? So AT&T Turbo can be useful for the people who occasionally need faster speeds on demand, especially in the busy locations where the network is congested. However, the feature is typically optional and may involve an additional cost. So it's best for the situations where you really need improved performance right away. So if this video helped you understand the AT&T Turbo, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.